Some important tips about vertebrae cervicalis, that is cervical vertebrae, that's the first 7 bones. This first bone is atlas, second bone is axis, and they are connected by dents of axis. Okay, apex dents of axis. Apex dens is present in dens bone is present in axis bone. So apex dens connects no yeah apex den connects axis bone to atlas bone in a cavity of fovea dentis of atlas bone. Okay, this is done. And then in vertebrae cervicalis, the sixth vertebrae bone, the C6 is the most developed anterior tubercle on its transfer process. This is the transverse process. If you can see these transverse processes, may C6 has the most developed anterior tuberculum, that is tuberculum anterior on the transverse processes. And the seventh C7 has the best, like the longest and the thickest processus spinous. This one in C6 and C7, as you go by C1, C2, C3, C4, C7 has the longest and the thickest spinous process. That's why it's known as prominence vertebra. And C6 has the most developed anterior tubercle. There will be an anterior tubercle, that like a tuberculum on transverse process, which is broken here or here. Here there will be an anterior tuberculum which is most developed in C6, and that's why this tuberculum is known as carotid tuberculum, carotid tubercle in C6. And C7 has the longest and the thickest spinous process. That's why that vertebra is known as prominence vertebra. C6 has, let me revise again, C6 has carotid tubercle on processus transversus because it's the most developed anterior tubercle or tuberculum anterior. So that tuberculum anterior is known as carotid tuberculum. Okay, and C7 has the longest spinous process, and that's why that spinous process and that vertebra is known as prominence vertebra.